Hi everyone, this is Sai Kiran Reddy. Now I am delivering about the few words on data science and its applications. First of all, we have to know that what is data science. Data science is the study of data. It involves the developing methods like storing and analyzing and extracting the data from the useful information. The goal of the data science is to gain the data from the analysis and to gain insights and knowledge from the type of the data such as structured and unstructured data. The applications of data science is playing a crucial role in many sectors such as IT, education, banking and finance, in healthcare sector. It is playing a crucial role in everyone's life. In this blog I will discuss about various applications of data science in healthcare sector. Let us look at the topics. I will be going to cover in this blog the applications of data science in healthcare. Why do we use data science in healthcare? Benefits of data science in healthcare. The role of data science in healthcare. Medical image analysis and future of data science in healthcare. Let us dive into this topic. Why do we use data science in healthcare? According to the survey, every human being using 2 terabytes per day, generating data 2 terabytes per day, and that includes the activities of brain and blood pressure, sugar level and heartbeat. And for covering this all, for storing this all the information, we need the technologies, more technologies like data science is one of the best technologies to storing the data among us. As we know that in earlier days, the doctors and hospital managers are unable to follow the multiple patients in a time. This leads to the lack of proper treatment. The patient conditions get worse. Data science is helpful. Data science is using the facilitating, advancing the facilities and providing the treatments to the patients and to enhance the workflow of the healthcare systems. The ultimate goals of the data science in healthcare is to These are the data science of the healthcare to enhance the workflow of the healthcare, to reduce the risk treatment of the patient, to provide the proper treatment to the patient, and due to the lack of unavailability of the doctors, and to reduce the risk among the patient. The roles of the data science in healthcare. The roles is in data science in healthcare that is nothing but the roles that the data scientist collecting all the data from the analysis and to collect the data from the using useful insights from the data. As follows. Collecting the data from the patient, for example, taking patient ID, patient name, patient age, and symptoms of the diseases.
Kani.
Patient ID, patient name, symptoms of the diseases, age, patient age, and analyzing the needs of the data, needs of the hospital, whether the hospital beds are available for the patients for the tracking and sorting the data. It means we sorting the data in terms of taking as a primary key of patient ID. We easily based on the patient ID, we assume this patient ID as a primary key. We easily identify them based on this key. We easily identify the patient details, entire details of the patient, and performing the data analysis using various tools like C1, Matplotlib, Pandas, NumPy, etc. and building the predictive models. Applications of data science in healthcare. In that we are going to discuss about medical image analysis. The medical image analysis healthcare sector together form from a promising field for utilizing technology of the images. It can be used for the medical image test is used X-ray, sonophone, and MRI scan and CT scan and many more. Proper analysis of the images of testing helps
gain valuable insights from the doctors to provide the patient which is better the treatment. Data science is working on creating and more advanced technologies to improve the patient data from image extract effectively. And there is a recent study published by the Google AI on diagnosing the skin diseases using deep learning. The deep learning model is created in such a way that it can diagnose the 26 diseases related to the skin. Let us look the three common algorithms used in medical image analysis. Anomalous detection algorithm and image processing algorithm, descriptive image recognition algorithm. These are the three algorithms are commonly used in medical image analysis. Anomaly detection algorithm. This algorithm helps in identify the conditions such as bone fracture and displacements. And next, medical image process. The image processing algorithm helps in analyzing images and enhancing the dehumanizing them. Descriptive image recognition algorithm. It visualizes the extracts image and interprets the make using the bigger of the picture of the brain. Next, predictive analysis in healthcare. Today's world, information is one of the most important factors of the healthcare analytics. Then the predictive analysis model on the top of the data science makes the predictions of the conditions of the patient. For example, here I take an example operation, finance and clinical and population health. These are the comes under the predictive analytics in hospital. There is a more benefits in the predictive analysis in healthcare can just below. It helps the management of the chronic diseases and effectively monitors and analyze the demand of pharmaceutical logistics. It predicts the patient condition and suggests and gives the suggestions to the patient regarding the diseases and predict the future medical crisis of the patient also. Data science in genomics. The genomics is one of the most interesting of the study in the medical science. This is a sequence of examination of genomics. These are conditions and DNA's living beings. In research, the genes of organism facilitates the high-level treatments. The aim of the study of genomics is to find the characteristics of irregularities of the DNA. And tools are used in search of genomics are MapReduce. MapReduce helps in process of huge amounts of genetic data. And SQL is structured query language, helps in the retrieval of genomic data of various databases. And Galaxy, it is a GUI-based technology. And Bioconductor. Bioconductor are used to generally for analytics the genetic data. Future of the data science in healthcare. Basically, there are 4 factors leading to the rapid movement. And there is technology advancements, digitalization, need to reducing the treatment of cost and duration. Data science has already started addressing to bring desired effect. And we know that doctors will get sample assistance and patients will get more personalized and perfect treatment. Finally, to conclude, the applications of data science and healthcare has the promissionally to enhance the entire healthcare system. Thank you.